Course Generator Pro AI is the latest software to hit the market, and in this video, we're going to dive deep into 7 crucial things you need to know about this tool. If you're wondering whether it's worth your time or investment, keep watching because I'm going to give you the full breakdown. First, let me just say, this software has been generating a lot of buzz since its release, and for good reason. It's designed to help you create and sell online courses quickly and efficiently using the power of AI. Whether you're a seasoned course creator or completely new to this, Course Generator Pro AI streamlines the entire process, from content creation to marketing. Now, if you're wondering how it works, here's the deal. This tool uses artificial intelligence to help you build a structured course from scratch. You start by inputting a topic or keyword, and the AI automatically generates course modules, lessons, and even detailed scripts to help you get started fast. No more wasting time on brainstorming or struggling to fill out your curriculum. The software does the heavy lifting for you. The second thing you'll want to know is that Course Generator Pro isn't just about creating the course. It also helps you design your sales pages, set up pricing, and even integrate with payment systems. It's an all-in-one solution that cuts down the number of tools you need to get your course off the ground. But here's something that sets it apart from other course creation tools. It's AI-powered optimization. As you build, the AI constantly suggests improvements. Whether it's tweaking course content or adjusting pricing models to maximize sales, Course Generator Pro is designed to ensure your course stands out in a competitive market. This is something I haven't seen from many other course building platforms, and it gives you an edge in an increasingly crowded online education space. Next, the customization options. While Course Generator Pro AI offers a lot of automation, it doesn't leave you feeling boxed in. You can still adjust every element of your course, from the tone of the content to how the modules are structured. This balance of automation and customization is what makes this tool so powerful. One of the biggest benefits is how it helps with scalability. If you're planning to create multiple courses or scale your online business, this software can help you do that without burning out. The AI learns from your past courses, making future content creation faster and more streamlined each time you use it. Course Generator Pro also offers an integrated marketing suite, which I'm really excited about. Once your course is built, the software can help you market it. From automated email campaigns to social media ads, it handles a lot of the grunt work so you can focus on what really matters, creating valuable content. Lastly, let's talk about pricing. Now, a lot of AI tools like this come with a hefty price tag, but Course Generator Pro is offering a free trial, which is great if you want to try it out first. You can get started for free through the first link in the description below, and it's definitely worth testing before making any commitments. Now, I've tried thousands of AI tools, and I can confidently say that this one is a game changer for anyone serious about creating and selling online courses. If you're looking for an efficient way to build and sell your expertise, Course Generator Pro AI is something you'll want to try. To wrap it up, make sure you check out the free trial through the first link below. And as always, I've included my recommended AI software down in the description for you to try out after having tested thousands of them. Don't forget to check those out for more powerful tools to take your online business to the next level.